You can see a lot of scintillating photos of models and celebrities on magazines, social platforms, or hoarding boards. But did you know that most of these photos are retouched? While most of such images are flawless, sometimes you'll notice some Photoshop fails like this. Most of these Photoshop fails are the result of one Photoshop tool, namely the Smudge tool. It works wonder on minor retouching, but extensive use of this tool is generally horrible. So today we'll be learning the same tool, that is the Smudge tool, as we are continuing the Photoshop basics in Webtrickshome. But instead of image retouching, we'll use it for digital painting. Alright, welcome to Webtrickshome. So this will be the image we'll be working on. Before starting the digital painting, let's have a look at the options available with the Smudge tool. The Smudge tool is in the blur tool group, right beneath the gradient and paint bucket tool group. Select it, and you can see the options similar to the brush tool on the options bar. You should learn the brush tool before learning the Smudge tool, and if you haven't learned about the brush tool, you can see my previous video on that. You can see the options for the brush tip, size and hardness here. Then you have got the brush tip preset options. Then you have got a couple of blending modes. Then you have got the strength option that defines the strength of smear on each stroke of the brush. Keep it higher to get a strong smear, or you can keep it a bit lower to make it work to your liking. Then you have got the sample all layers option if you want to work on a new layer, taking sample from the existing layer that we did with most of the image retouching tools, right? Then you have got the finger painting option, which basically adds the foreground color to the brush stroke. Let's have a look. And with the finger painting option checked off, Smudge tool will only use the color from the document itself. And the last option is the pressure sensitivity option if you are working with a tablet. So that's all about the basic options available with the Smudge tool. Let's have a look on how we can turn the image into a digital painting with the Smudge tool. Let's add a new blank layer on top of the background layer. Check the sample all layers option on. Drag the strength value to your liking. I'll keep it around 40. Then all you need to do is paint over the document. And you can see the pixels start to smoothen depending upon the strength value. You can keep the edges sharp if you like. You can see most of the digital paintings have such sharp edges. I'll keep them relatively soft though. You can already see the difference here. Let's leave the hair as of now and work on the remaining parts. We'll paint the hair on a separate layer. I'll speed up the frame rate here to prevent the tutorial from being dull and boring. Alright. You can increase the strength value and draw lines using the color from the document if you need to. Make sure you drop the value down later. Let's add a new layer for the hair. Let's open a new document and create a brush for the hair. Let's add a couple of small circles here. That looks okay. Select all the shapes. We'll need to merge all these layers. Go to Edit menu and select Define Brush Preset. Give it a name. Let's say Hair Sample. And you're done. Go back to the document. Select the same brush. It will appear at the end of the list. Resize it to your liking and paint over. And you can see the result. Let's work on the hair then. This brush will take a lot of time, so I'll change the brush to round blunt medium stiff here and paint over. That will be quicker. I'll use the brush tool to paint over the beard to make it look a bit thicker. Well, that's done then. Let's work on the remaining areas. and you're done. So you can see here, this is the before and this is the after. Let's have a closer look. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.